This boiler has suffered from years of poor service history. I'm going to show you inside why exactly you need to make sure you're getting your boiler serviced. Just here is the burner, okay? Now that's got an essential seal round there. This one has absolutely perished and is knackered, letting products of combustion back into the boiler and into the room. It is absolutely covered in dust just there. This was causing boiler fault and failure and locking out. Okay, that is essential, that gets checked. We also take a look inside this burner just here. You can see it is absolutely filthy from years of neglect, never been opened, touched, and poor service. And the seal around there would be letting gas escape. Very poor condition. Not been looked after, not been serviced, really bad condition. Why is this even more important? Safety, peace of mind, saving on those gas bills, boiler faults, boiler problems, needless when that could have been serviced every year. With boiler service plans from £6.50 a month, services 99 plus VAT, it is absolutely criminal not to just check, get your boiler serviced. This boiler has been taken out probably 4 or 5 years sooner than it needed to be. So this cost this customer nearly £3,000, and it could have cost them from as little as £6.50 a month. Madness. Get your boiler serviced and checked, if not for safety, peace of mind, but at least to try and prevent future issues that will cost you money even more.